All right, welcome to class. All right, I forgot to push record, so you're getting the after lesson special recording. All right, so today is 2.1.2. Isn't this great?
Yeah.
My question to start is, when are you on Fruit Ridge and Stockton Boulevard? So you're traveling on Fruit Ridge, and you pass by McDonald's, pass by the Chevron. When should I stop and be on both of the roads? Right there. So my car stalls, I just leave it in the middle of the road, I go back, get some McDonald's. And my car is still on both boulevards. It's right in the middle, right? So how long should I leave my car in the intersection? Oh, yes, that's very good. They're doing classwork. I'm doing this over, obviously. So what we're going after is, with this type of problem, solutions for systems of equations are always going to be in the intersection of two of the lines. This is going to be our solution. Okay? It's going to have an x and a y value to it. So that is like the gist of what we are trying to find graphically, is where is the solution. So you're going to be given a system. This bracket means it's on the same graph, so go ahead and graph that quickly. I'll do this one in blue. Y-intercept is first, plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slope is 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Essentially, we have just like that. All right. Go back to it? Go back to it? What do you mean?
Oh, go on this one.
Oh, I see. Sorry. Don't mind that. I just have students who are actually doing classwork now. You guys are done on 2 and 3? 1 and 2? Okay, there you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Okay, honey. Actually was okay. All right, the next we're going to graph this in black. This is our y-intercept. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. -2, going down 2, over the right 3. Down 2, over 3. And we get right here. So these are rough graphs. The problem with rough graphs is it's hard to see exactly where the intersection is. So this is going to be our solution. And I'll ask the class, what do we do when we can't see the solution? You got to do the wrong voice for starters.
We all did that.
I know, it's too many starters. Okay, so you're going to download Desmos if you're watching at home and you missed today. You're going to download Desmos. It's a free graphing calculator. It does not use any data or Wi-Fi. So it's super helpful because if I cannot see exactly where that solution is, the graph isn't clear enough, then I can always double check myself, and I'll pull it up right now. All right, so I'm just going to switch over to Desmos for a second, guys. You see here I have the two lines. I have the two lines filled out already. Let's make this a little bigger. Okay. So I look here, and you can see I inputted my two functions. I graphed it, and now all I have to do on the graph is, or with your app, click on the intersection, and we see it's at 3.7. Okay, that's a 3.7. I know it's hard to see because it's zoomed in. But now we can bring it back. Bring it back to, and I'll change that now. Where are you guys? Bring it back to, that's all to number 4. That's it. Yeah, it looked like there was more, you're right. All right, so back to this. Let's zoom it out. What we just discovered was that our solution's at 3.7. We used Desmos to figure that out because that is where we have the intersection. Okay. That's the gist of it all. Today was mainly learning how to use Desmos, which you just have to input these very, very slowly. One thing to know is if I needed to graph 2/3. If I needed to put 2/3 into my formula, I would put 2, and then I push the division symbol, and then 3. So that's how I would input a 2/3. Okay. So keep that in mind. Play around with the other buttons there, and we'll keep using it. All right, don't forget to subscribe.